Hey there! If you're watching this video, you're ready to level up your career. You want to become an exceptional Scrum Master and guide your team to success. Say goodbye to slow, boring, and error-prone techniques and say hello to the exciting world of Scrum. I'm going to show you exactly how to become a Certified Scrum Master, or CSM, and rock the Scrum framework like a pro. Think of a Certified Scrum Master as the superhero of Agile projects, leading teams to victory with their Scrum superpowers. But they're not your typical project leaders or managers. They're servant leaders, making sure the team is set up for success with the Scrum framework. A Scrum Master doesn't wear a cape or try to look cool. Being a Scrum Master is about taking on pivotal roles and responsibilities. They're team facilitators and servant leaders. They help teams self-organize and achieve great results using Agile methodology. They remove obstacles like a pro. They keep the team focused and protect them from distractions. They're the ultimate matchmakers between product owners, teams, and stakeholders. Scrum Masters create the perfect environment for teams to thrive. You'll be the master of ceremonies, managing the Scrum process and coordinating with your team like a boss. Oh, and let's not forget about those epic retrospective meetings where you'll lead the charge in improving performance. Becoming a Scrum Master is like unlocking a whole new level of awesomeness in Agile project management. So are you ready to level up? Let's dive in. The eligibility requirements for Scrum Master certification training are incredibly inclusive. The training is perfect for you if you're a fresh graduate, or a seasoned professional looking to boost your project management skills, or anyone wanting to deepen your Scrum understanding. A wide range of professionals have benefited from the CSM program, including software engineers, product managers, project managers, team leaders, business analysts, development team members, and testers, and more. Basically, anyone who aspires to become a Scrum Master. So, what do you think is the most challenging responsibility of a Scrum Master? Let's hear from you in the comments below. The CSM certification comes with a whole lot of perks. You'll be part of an elite group recognized by Scrum Alliance as Scrum Specialists. And then there's the money. Based on recent salary surveys, certified Scrum Masters are earning an average annual salary of $114,197 in the US, 16 lakh rupees in India, 66,670 pounds in the UK, $64,790 in Singapore, and 88,200 dirhams in Dubai. With the CSM certification, you can unlock exciting job opportunities in top companies like IBM, Tata Counseling Services, Capgemini, Honeywell, Bosch, Accenture, Deloitte, and more. Your career can skyrocket. While there are no specific prerequisites to enroll for the CSM certification, you do need to complete a training program of at least 2 days or 14 to 16 hours taught by a certified Scrum trainer. Easy peasy. The CSM certification from Scrum Alliance is an entry-level credential. It equips you with knowledge of Scrum methodology, values, team performance, accountability, and iterative development. So it's perfect for anyone involved in product delivery or responsible for optimizing Scrum. Not only will you learn Agile and Lean methodologies, but you'll also have tangible proof of your proficiency with this highly sought-after certification. The process itself includes just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Take the CSM training, preferably from a Scrum Alliance registered education ally such as Techademy. This will provide you with the necessary knowledge and skills to really and truly understand the Scrum framework and its values. Step 2. After completion, Scrum Alliance will send you a link to create login credentials. These credentials will be required to access the online CSM test. Step 3. Take the online CSM test. It consists of 50 multiple choice questions with a time limit of 60 minutes. You need to answer at least 37 questions correctly to pass the exam. Step 4. Once you pass, you'll be requested to accept a license agreement. This agreement outlines the terms and conditions of the CSM certification. Once accepted, you get your Certified Scrum Master certificate from Scrum Alliance. This certificate is valid for 2 years and includes a 2-year membership with Scrum Alliance, which provides access to heaps of resources and community support. The cost to become a CSM ranges from $500 to $2,000, depending on factors such as the training's content, duration, trainer, and location. The cost typically includes both the CSM training and exam fees. To prepare for the CSM certification, you can refer to various resources such as books, videos, blogs, and online courses. Here are a few tips for a smooth experience when getting your CSM certification. First, choose wisely. For those watching before attending a class, do your research and choose the course provider that's right for you. Second, practice tests. Take practice tests aligned with the CSM course learning objectives. Only use ones crafted by a certified Scrum trainer specifically for the Scrum Alliance CSM test. Third, open book advantage. The test is open book. Always refer to the online Scrum guide and your class notes. Fourth, understand context. Be mindful of specifics. Make sure you understand the context of each question correctly before answering. Number 5, pre-consider answers. Think of the appropriate response before reading the selections. And 6, read strategically. Read the question's last sentence first. Understanding the most crucial information can help you avoid confusion. 7, consider all options. Avoid selecting a nearly accurate answer by considering all possibilities. 8, bottom-up approach. Read choices starting from the bottom. Your brain tends to choose the first logical response. 9, time management. Don't spend too much time on difficult questions. Mark them for review and come back later. Once you've completed the test and submitted your answers, your results will immediately appear on your screen. Earning your CSM certification is a significant accomplishment, and we hope these tips have boosted your chances of success. For a copy of your certificate, simply log into your Scrum Alliance website account and click the download option in the dashboard. You can even personalize your certificate with your name, but double check it as you can't update it later. Don't forget to renew your certification after 2 years. Keeping your certification current demonstrates your commitment to continuous learning and professional development. Also, adding the CSM badge to your LinkedIn profile and resume makes a significant impact overall. You'll have HRs of potential employers possibly chasing or clients even chasing after you. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your coworkers. Don't miss our upcoming videos. Be sure to subscribe and press that bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching and congratulations on your journey to becoming a certified Scrum Master.